So ignore the numbers on the back of the cards. So this is really great to play with your family. You'll start with one person, start with your child, and they'll just pick one card, and they'll see that that number is 7. And what you'll say to your child is, what number plus 7 equals 10? So they're going to use their fingers if they need to, or some of them can do this in their heads. And what they're going to do is say, they can use their fingers, and they'll say 7, and they're going to put 7 fingers down. So there's 5 fingers plus the 2 fingers. And then I have 3 fingers left. So I'm going to try to find another card with the number 3 on it. But I found another 7. This is a really good chance for you to ask them, well, what does 7 plus 7 equal? And at that point, you might have to work with them a little bit depending on what their ability is. But you can say 7, point to the 7, and then they can go ahead and count the diamonds, the big diamonds on the next card. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then I want you to say 7 plus 7 equals 14. So then their turn is over. Then it'll be the next person's turn. Pretend I'm you as a parent. And you're going to pick a card. 9. I know that 9 plus 1 equals 10. In this game, since there are no ones, we're going to use ace as a 1. So as a parent, I'm going to take my turn. Oh, is this an ace? No. So I'm going to say 9 plus 8 equals, and pretend like you're a child, so you would point to the bigger number, 9. We say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 9 plus 8 equals 17. This is just to kind of reinforce those math skills. So then if there's only 2 of you playing, it would be the child's turn again. They're going to pick another card. 3. Oh, we found the number that needs to equal 10 for 3, didn't we? What was it? 7? Where was that number 7? Oh, I think it was right here. Let's make sure that equals 10 though. 7, 8, 9, 10. Can we check with our fingers too? Let's start with 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did we make 10? We did. So we get to take this card, this set of cards, and then we get to go again to try to make 10. So 9, there's that 9 again. I need an ace, so I'm going to try to find an ace. I found an ace. So 9 plus 1 equals 10. And then that person gets to keep on going until they stop. Man, those 9s are everywhere. Until they stop making a match. So now it would be the next person's turn because I know that 9 plus 6 equals 15. But let's check. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9 plus 6 equals 15. I'll leave that there. So then it would be the next person's turn. And you can play with this just for a few minutes or, to kind of get that exercise out. When we did it during stations, we would spend about 15 minutes on each game. So like this one, you could only spend 15 to 20 minutes on. You don't have to make the whole deck go away because it is getting those brain cells working on math. So I hope you like this game. If you have any questions about it, feel free to ask us in the comments, and then I will get right back to you. And thank you. Have a good Easter.